Good evening, everybody. Bobby Two Pops of Breaks. It is Sunday, the 29th of May. We're breaking Hit Parade Hat Trick. It is a personal for one of the longtime room rags, Pac-Man 12. We let him pick between the two remaining box and numbers. He picked number 11. So that is what we are going to break overall. HP has not treated us bad. Hoping we got us a nice box here for pack. That seal. Grab our photo. This is a key. Yep, gonna be Guy Lapointe, guys. Guy Lapointe, the Canadian legend. Montreal, old school Guy Lapointe on the photo. It's a puck. Well, going to be an avalanche hit on that one. Philippe Grubauer. Maybe Pat can tell you something about that one. I have no idea. But again, avalanche. Whoops, there's your sig. Alright, guys. Well, I don't know. We'll see on our jersey here. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm sorry, but I mean, one of my all-time favorite players, but just not a big jersey pack. I am very sorry about that. Not one of our better NHL boxes, that's for darn sure. We came out of the gate like lightning in these things, but our last couple ones have just been so-so, man. Well, at least she's got the old school Blackhawk head on it. It does got the ties, everything, but yeah, she's not a license though. She is a custom, but going to be the Golden Jet. Bobby Hall, 1993. When I saw the red and I saw in the box, I only saw like this part. I was actually hoping that was going to be a fucking Gordie Howe for you, man. I said, I mean, I loved the Golden Jet growing up, but unfortunately, just not a high-dollar jersey for you, bud. The fuck? Come on, man. Man, that jersey just laying weird. Well, that's gonna wrap up that one, guys. JSA certification on the hull. And I really had thought when I saw that red and the bottom of the number there, I really was hoping that was going to be Gordie for you. Alright, guys, that is going to wrap up that personal for Pac-Man 12. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. Y'all have a good night.